So I would say that the core two techniques are crochet and hand knitting. And one of the key materials of the brand is this Japanese yarn that we work with for every collection, one way or another. So it's a way to give a bit of structure to the crochet as well, but yet remaining really light and see-through and delicate. This dress is made of at least 120 diamond crochet squares, and that comes from granny square crochet inspiration. There is also that idea of working between lightness and heaviness and how they can be balanced within each other. And so as I was explaining, I studied women's wear and I was working often with very light materials that I would very much enjoy draping onto the body. Okay, so the hem is like 43, and then it goes up by...
And then it goes up by 13.2.
All the way here, okay.
All the way here, yeah.
Yeah, I think we can do from that measurement, and then that one, you know, so we know how much we go on both sides.
Yeah.
And she will have to know that base measurement, because that's what she's going to cast on the needles before she grows the hem of the sleeve.